Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to make cinematic photos in Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. Now click at the profile icon at the right top and make sure that you use your correct account. If you use another account, click at the arrow icon near to it. And then you can switch to your account or you can add your account. Then you need to click at the plus at the right top and right here select Cinematic Photo. Now select the photo, what you want to convert, let's say this one, and you cannot select more than one item. As you can see now I tried but nothing happens. Also I cannot select the months. So if you want to convert more than one photos, you need to repeat this process. So after you select the photo, click create, and then we need to wait for the Google Photos. So this time it was too quick, but usually need to wait more, and you will have the video. Click save to save this video, and now we have it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!